Hello friends, welcome to the channel of Trading Queen. My today's video is dedicated solely to those traders who have just begun their journey in this platform. There had been many messages received by me of late of people who have incurred huge losses just as beginners. They are understanding, they are learning, they are in that phase, and they are seeking help and they are asking for little tricks which can fetch them back the capital they have lost. So today I'll be teaching you or showing you the process as to how I personally take trade using this strategy. So on the screen you can see that I have kept the tradingview.com website open, and in that you can also see the Bank Nifty 15 minutes candle chart is shown. So in this chart, along with this chart, we are going to use one indicator which is called RSI, Relative Strength Index. So I will show you how you can plant this graph. Watch closely, learn every step because every step is important. Don't skip anything or else the trading strategy will be null and void. There are many things to observe and implement. We have gone to the settings of RSI. We will do some little alterations here. Under inputs, in the length space, we will change it from 14 to 3, and under style we will change the upper band to 80 from 70, and the lower band will be changed from 30 to 20. Then okay, our RSI chart is ready, and now I'll show you how to take a trade and the criteria we look for during our trade in this format. So the preconditions are as follows. The conditions are as follows. Note carefully. First thing is that there are some lines which will be visible on the screen. The green, blue and pink lines are the supports and resistance zones which I implant on the graph the night before I'm taking trade. This is my part of homework. And now on the RSI chart is also open. What is the criteria for a trade? Lucrative one is that in case of bullish signals, any signal where RSI is going above 80 is showing a tendency of an upward movement, the strength is intense, so we will eye for a movement during that. We will milk the opportunity and take trade during the period when we are getting a signal above 80. So that trade has to meet some criteria. So what are they? Watch closely. I'll just zoom it for you. See, the criteria will be the bullish in case of bullish trades, the next candle's close should be higher than the previous candle's high. Again I am repeating, write it on a piece of paper if you want. This is a golden rule. The next candle's close should be higher than the previous candle's high. So if I take a brush, see, these two candles are meeting our criteria. The next candle's close is higher than the previous candle's high. But can we take a trade here? No, as because the corresponding RSI is lower than 80. So this is not the right setup for us. But these two candles giving us a good and proper timely frame of trading setup. Here again the criteria are being met in a foolproof manner. The RSI strength is more than 80, and on the chart also the next candle is more powerful than the previous candle, and its close is higher than the previous candle's high. So we will take a trade here, okay, around here. Just a minute. hold on, these two candles, and we are taking trade in the lower part of the third candle. And where will our stop loss be? Our stop loss will be around here. Okay, so this is our stop loss. So if you watch closely, if you are taking a trade here, what is the movement that you see in the following course of time? It's a powerful, huge momentum that we see, isn't it, friends? So this is how I take trade. On the contrary, if the signals are bearish, then what we will do? I'll show you. For example, friends, in the same chart, let me find it out first. Yes, I have already got. Tell me one thing. Can we take a trade here? RSI is going below 25. Can we take a trade here? No, we cannot. Because there is a rule which I follow. I do not take trades in a sudden huge candle. Okay, because a huge candle gives some kind of consolidation in the later stages, so I avoid taking trades during during a framed bigger candle. And again, in the first half an hour of opening the market, I would recommend everyone to stay aloof from the market, as because it is a risky zone. Too much fluctuations and volatility will be observed during that period. Too much fluctuations will be happening in the prices up and down, and it's very difficult to catch the real sentiments and momentum of the market. The next candles, the next red candles, bearish candles, close should be lower than the previous candles, previous bearish candles, red candles, low. So you can, and along that the RSI should be lower than 20. So in these two candles our criterias are being met, and along with that the RSI is also 20, as you can see. So friends, can we take a trade here? Of course, yes. And the stop loss will be the high of the previous candle. Okay, so this is how I am taking my trades. This is a quick synopsis of how am I performing in the market, and what are the things that I look for. But use your diligence. Friends, this is all for today. And before leaving, just a piece of advice. This strategy is not going to work in a very oversold or overbought scenario. Create your positions in such a way that you are confident and sure that the market will again move towards the upper side. Create your resistance and support in such a way that you know where to stop and where to exit your trades. And last but not the least, do not erode your capital into useless trades where you are getting trapped and you're not being able to come out. You should be working very hard on your support and resistance zones, and use little capital and do a lot of paper trading before actually entering the market. The market has a lot to give, but only if you have your capital intact. So keep that in mind. So if you have liked this video, give it a fat thumbs up, and share it among your friends and relatives, and do comment down whether you have liked it or you need any kind of improvisation or any suggestion. If you want to leave for me, you are most welcome. Thanks a lot for watching.